Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Satisfied on piano. First, let's identify the main melody and chord progressions. This song is in the key of a major, featuring a lively tempo of about 140 beats per minute. We'll break down the intricate rhythms and syncopation that give this piece its unique feel. Understanding these foundational elements is crucial for a successful performance. For the right hand, focus on the melody, which often features quick 16th note runs. The syncopated rhythms are key, so practice them slowly with a metronome. Proper fingering is essential for fluidity. Aim for a consistent, comfortable hand position. Many phrases involve arpeggiated chords, requiring precise finger placement for clarity and speed. The left hand provides the harmonic foundation with a driving bass line and rich chord voicings. Many chords are played in root position or first inversion, often as broken chords. Maintain a steady, consistent rhythm, especially during the faster sections. Practice the left hand independently to build strength and accuracy before combining it with the right hand. To bring it all together, begin practicing both hands slowly, gradually increasing the tempo as you gain confidence. Listen to the original recording of Satisfied to internalize the musicality and emotional nuances. Focus on expressing Angelica's rapid-fire delivery and the song's dynamic shifts. Consistent practice, even for 15 minutes daily, will yield significant progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.